Are you constantly feeling tired?
Relying on caffeine just to get through the afternoon slump?
Most sleep apps focus only on how many hours you slept last night.
But the Rise app approaches sleep from a completely scientific perspective.
Instead of just tracking your time in bed,
Rise focuses on two critical factors that actually determine your daily energy: your sleep debt and your unique circadian rhythm. Your sleep debt is the exact amount of sleep you owe your body from the past 14 days. Rise calculates this and gives you actionable ways to pay it back. At the same time, it maps out your daily energy schedule, showing you exactly when you will experience your natural morning peak, your afternoon dip, and your perfect evening wind-down window. By predicting your energy peaks and crashes, you can schedule your most important work for when you are sharpest and know exactly when it is time to relax. By prioritizing sleep debt reduction and aligning your daily routine with your internal biological clock, Rise helps you unlock real, sustained daytime energy. Download Rise today to finally conquer your fatigue and master your day.